Want to know what a property is really worth? Head over to Zillow.com and type in the address of the property you're interested in into the search bar, then press enter. Once you're on the property's listing page, scroll down to the similar properties section. This is where Zillow starts suggesting potential comps, but we'll refine this further. Now, pay close attention. Click on the map view. We need to manually adjust the search radius to focus on properties within a reasonable distance, ideally no more than a quarter mile for urban areas, or up to a mile for more rural locations. Next, use the filter options to refine your search. The most important filters are sold properties. We only want recent sales data. Then, adjust for similar bed and bath count, square footage, and sold within the last 6 months. The more recent, the better. Analyze the list of comps. Look for properties that are the most similar to the subject property in terms of size, condition, features, and location. Discard outliers that are significantly different. Finally, carefully compare the remaining comps to the property you are analyzing. Adjust for any differences, such as lot size, upgrades, or condition. This will help you determine a fair market value. Remember, finding comps is an art and a science. Good luck.